The Purple Fest 2025 has been announced, and we have seen that the Purple Fest is not benefiting the grassroots people with disabilities at the grassroots levels. So we are putting forward our 7-point demand to the government to resolve the issues within 3 months. That is before the Purple Fest 2025. Failing which we will protest at the Purple Fest 2025. Our demands are as follows: increase in the Dynamic Social Security Scheme from 2,000 to 6,000 per month as per order of State Disability Commissioner. Jobs for persons with disability, intellectual disability, especially in the government sector. Skill development centers, respite care centers should be started by the government. We want a state policy for persons with disabilities so that there is a direction. The government and the various departments will have a focus on the implementation of the rights of persons with disability by having a state policy for empowerment of persons with disabilities. We want representation in the panchayat level and municipality level, nomination by way of nominations, so that the persons with disability will have a voice in the panchayat and municipality levels.